Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to update GPU drivers in Windows 11 step by step. Updating your graphic driver can improve gaming performance, fix display issue, and help your PC run smoother. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now expand Display Adapters. Here you will see expand it. You will see your graphic card name like Nvidia, AMD or Intel. So my graphic card is AMD Radeon. So now update the GPU drive. Right click your graphic card and select update driver. Now click search automatically for drivers. Window will check for the latest available driver update. Here you will see the best driver for your device are already installed. This is the best. Now after the driver update is completed, restart your PC. This helps apply all the new graphic driver changes properly. You can also visit the official driver's website to update it from the website. That's it. Now you know how to update GPU drivers in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.